Back to Balabas G's. My people, a big war is going on in Imo State right now. So I'm going to play the video. Is what Nigerian military are throwing to the Biafra Liberation Army. So as you can see what they are displaying in this video. So actually I am not I am not a military. I don't know the meaning of this one. What is the name? So you people that know more better should explain for us the meaning of this one. They are throwing to Nigeria Liberation Army. So let's watch the full video and for you to see and hear from the horse's mouth as well. So the men on ground where the thing is happening, so is where they are bringing this information. So we are going to play the full video and they will explain by themselves and talk what actually happened in Imo State. So they are battling uh with the Nigerian military over there. So let's play the video.
Because we are fighting for the just cause. That is why God can never fail us. You have seen the bomb they threw to our camp. They have thrown that more than 10 pieces. Some they ground on swallow, some knock, explode. I've shown the war. Share the video, show the war what Nigeria bring to Biafra land.
Una share.
But they don't kill us.
Sure.
So I'm talking to you now. We are still at war. But I promise to be updating you people what is going on. We are on the battlefield. This war started since 6 p.m., 6 a.m. And up till now, we are still fighting it. We are still on it. So, share this to the war. This is 40 minutes, now 11:41, 19 minutes to the hours of 12. And the war is still very hot. You can see here the bullet. We are still on the war front. No retreat, no surrender. We assure the war one thing. It is either then give us Biafra. You can hear it. Or everything in Nigeria will die. This one they come to our land to do na child's play. Na child's play compared to when we move out from this jungle to face them in the city. They will know that we are not joking. Yes. You can hear. I want you to feel the sound. What we are talking about. It is not a crime for us to ask for our freedom. What is rightfully belongs to us. Our first father did not agree to be Nigerian. They did not assign any agreement to be Nigerian. They forcefully immerse us, and that agreement expired 2014. And we are telling them that it is not compulsory to remain one. It is either then let us go, or we all die here. All of us. They will die here in Biafra land. They can never make it out of this place alive. So far, so good. More than 200 of them are gone down. We are still here. They are tired. We never, and we can never tire. They are now calling on their members to retrieve, but we are still pursuing them. Yes. We can never go anywhere. They have come with a mortar. They have thrown several bombs into our land. None of them explode. I've shown the war what they have thrown here. But no problem. The victory is our own. We go nowhere. Chukwukikabiama who sent us to come. The land who choose us to come will guide and protect us. Yes. Share this video Let it go viral. Tell your brother what we are saying. Our governor, our senators, our House of Representatives, as they call them, they are not representing us. Our governor are not governing us. They want to kill all of us. They have come.
So my people, as you all can see in that video,
Rather,
this is
to
what
them
is going on in Imo State right
this
now,
land of Biafra.
where Governor Hope Uzodinma is being governed. As you can see that this life, if you take anything by force, or you take anything you think that maybe this is what belongs to you, well, actually it didn't belong to you, you will never have rest. If you remember that since Hope Uzodinma entered this seat, this man, ọ bụrụ ndị Igbo will say in Igbo that onye aṅụrụbeghị mmiri wee tọgbọ iko. This man have never ever drink water and keep cup. And the level of on this war going on in Imo State is becoming too much. So I think that Governor Mba, the governor of Enugu State, should learn from what is going on in Imo State as well. You know, sometimes everything is not by power, or you have military, you have police, you can call federal government, they can answer you. So what is actually going on in Southeast now is unbelievable. So Governor Hope Uzodinma have no solution or anything to offer to the insecurity in Imo State currently. So the people of Imo State should stand up and fight for their rights to bring back peace in Imo State. So Enugu should learn from this as well. Enugu, if you are from Enugu, leave all differences. Maybe you don't like Biafra, you don't like Mazi Simon Ekpa, you don't like Nnamdi Kanu, you don't like Dues, you don't like anyone you feel like to say. You understand? Leave all those things. But the truth of the matter is that we must face the narrative, what is going on in Southeast, in Anambra, in Imo State, in Abia State, in Ebonyi State. So we must face our narrative, and the people of the region have to stand up and find a solution for what is going on and provide security for their territory, because we can't continue living like this. So as you all can see that if you come to the Southeast today, the way the unknown government are operating, the way the army are killing people, people are being disappearing day by day. Some people have not even heard from their loved one for over a year or 2 years now. So and there's nowhere those people are. Oh my God, things are really happening, and the Southeast have to stand up to fight against this thing that is going on. The youth and the people of the owners of the land have to stand up. If our governors, our elders have nothing to offer us, so we have to stand up and begin to fight for the peace of Southeast and for our right of Southeast. So this is what I get to offer today to everyone who is listening to this broadcast this hour. You have to prepare your mind, because if you watch what is going on around the world right now, everyone are protecting their territory. The territory of Southeast must be protected, and the military should not be invading our people's home, destroying people's things. So thank God I have gone to bush to fight. Let the fight be in the bush. So the owner of the land know his way out in the bush. You that come to fight the people that owns the land, how do you think you can be able to achieve this fight that you are going for? So please, if today is the first day you are coming across this channel, don't forget to follow us, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And want to ask you to share this video and show people what is going on in Southeast right now, what is going on especially in Imo State, what is going on. The video you just watch is something that is going on in Imo State. So share the video so that other people can as well see it as well. Thank you for watching. So see you in the next broadcast.